Hey, you can imagine my shock when I was discussing with a colleague of mine and she was telling me how she normally boils her egg, like hard boiled egg that you boil. And the steps she was taking, ha! I said, what? Did you grow up in Nigeria? No, 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 no. We argued for so long. She typically uses a kettle. She drops the egg into boiling hot water. And see, in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to boil egg the Nigerian way. You are welcome to Yvonne's Easy Life Hack, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you rather, how to boil egg the Nigerian way, the main way to get your perfect hard boiled egg. This is content you would like to see, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. It only takes 1 second. So in Nigeria, we don't boil egg with kettle. Yes, there are exemptions to this rule, but in an ideal world, you boil egg with a pot, a small pot like this, okay? We don't boil egg number 2 with boiling water. What is wrong with you? What planet are you from? That is not done anywhere. No. You take your pot to your sink. You bring out the number of eggs you want to use to make that meal or to eat in that meal. If it's 3, if it's 4, if it's 5. You rinse the egg under water, you place in the pot, and then you open up the tap and run some water. Like, the water should just cover the height of the egg, right? And then you take a pinch of salt and you sprinkle into the water before you go and turn on the gas and put the pot on the gas, okay? Now you're looking at me and wondering, what does salt do? I know there's an old wives' tale that salt helps like the back of the egg come off easily after cooking, but no, that is not the reason we add salt. We add salt, I feel that there's a particular taste it does give the egg. Don't quote me anyway, but I feel that. But most importantly is if the egg has a crack in it. See that salt in that water, it prevents the crack from widening, it prevents the egg from seeping out, so it just kind of seals it. Now for that perfect hard-boiled egg, you need to cook your egg for at least on high heat for at least 20 minutes to have it hard boiled. This same colleague I was talking about earlier, she said she boils her eggs for 7 to 8 minutes. That she likes her boiled egg when she opens it, like it's a bit runny, that is not, there's no need. Just eat the raw egg, eat it. The Nigerian way, your egg has to be hard boiled, like proper boiled. The yolk is strong, the egg is well cooked, okay? Now, this is the secret. You see, Nigerian eggs, once we peel it, it follows our hand. What is the secret? Now, when you finish cooking that egg, after the 20 minutes has elapsed, you're going to turn off the gas. Then you're going to fill a bowl of water with cold water if possible. You're going to scoop out 2 or 3 of the eggs, any number of, if it's a full 3, 4, 5 you cooked, and you're going to dump it immediately into the cold water. You're going to wait for a minute, and then you are going to crack the egg gently and peel. See, once that egg comes out from the pot and the hot pot now and goes into the cold water, there is something it does. It just kind of shrinks, and that is what gives that separation between the shell and the egg itself. That is why when you just crack it and peel, the back comes off. Otherwise, have you ever tried peeling an egg? You just bring it out from the pot hot and just run it a bit under water and start peeling it, like it will start having injury. You know, when they say egg has injury on the body of the egg will be going with your hand. So guys, the Nigerian way, I just taught you how to boil egg the Nigerian way. So if this is something you didn't know before, or you have a spouse or a friend from Nigeria, or in fact this applies to most African countries too, that they're like, I want to eat hard, I want to eat boiled egg. This is what they mean. No, I don't know that thing that you people are doing. Like, where did you people learn that one from? This is our culture. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I just thought to come on here and share with you how to boil egg, the perfect egg, the Nigerian way, after having this conversation with this friend of mine. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our very next video. Bye guys.